Myself, Chandrang Pathak, the research scholar, Department of Education at the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, and my title of the study is the study of the challenges in adopting educational technology in pedagogy. As we all know, that is the in current situation, is the technology is very important aspect of the classroom because technologies will give technology is giving the more opportunity to engage the learner and use the different sense organs, and due to the this this capability, technology enhance the learning in the learners and rational. And why this study is conducted, the national education policy is said that the adopt the virtual labs and virtual reality and AR VR in the classroom. But some researchers show that the reality at the ground level is the quite different, and the teachers are rarely practice the technology or democratic uh, teaching method in the classroom. That's why this study is the therefore the researcher want to explore the some questions like what are the major challenges in the adoption of the educational technology in pedagogy at a school level. And for achieving this question, the two objective is framed, that is they study the major challenges faced by the teacher and what are the for solutions of the challenges that are faced by the teachers in adaptation of the educational technology in pedagogy at the school level. And for this, uh, for seeking the answer of these objectives, uh, the researcher adopted the qualitative research method, and population of the study is the principal of secondary school, that is they are affiliated to the CBSE board in Baroda city, and sample is the 10 principal that is selected the conveniently, and semi-structured interview schedule was used for the collecting the data, and for data analysis the thematic analysis has been adopted by the researcher. And after the thematic analysis, the certain themes are emerged from the data, that is the digital challenges and financial challenges, student attitudes and school system challenges. And this themes is expanded in the several dimensions, that is the digital divide. And digital divide, this is the contradict this is the lack and a divide between the urban and rural areas of the uh, Gujarat. In urban areas, the some schools are uh, very rich and provide the all facilities of the digital equipment, but in rural area the digital technologies are lacking, and this is the hamper the uh, practicing of the educational technology in pedagogy. And infrastructure is the rooms in school, that is the especially a lot for the uh, educational technology room, this is a smart room and etc. And financial constraint, this is the funding, and funding from the private school. In private school the funding from the management, and in government school the also funding a very big challenge. And in student engagement, some principals are say that when we use the educational technology and students are bored, so that is the student engagement. After some start in the beginning they are very enthusiastic to say see the how is technology is working, but after some time they are bored. So that is the another challenge. And teacher preparedness, teacher are not prepared to using the modern technologies. And attitude of management, the management is very neutral, that is the why using this technology in the pedagogy, is everything is good, then why? And this attitude of the management is very bad. And solution, for the solution the certain themes are emerges, that is the continuous professional development, communication, and strengthen the school support system. And this theme is also elaborated And this is the revision in the teacher education curriculum. And in the pre-service teachers, NCT should um, improve and should revise the syllabus of the B.Ed and M.Ed, and which can give the broader scope to the learner to learn how to use the educational technology in the pedagogy in the classroom. And teacher training, those teachers are recruited, and they also have the CPD in the for the using of the educational technology in the pedagogy. And communication between management and teacher, and this should be a very important aspect, that is the management key. The communication will be happen, how the use of the technology is important in the classroom. And the funding is the also a very important aspect, because the all things infrastructure and digital uh, digital technologies availability is everything is dependent on the funding. That, and conclusion, the teacher is the facing the many problem, but the proper training in the in-service and pre-service teachers and openness of the management can solve the problem. And acknowledgement, I acknowledge the Professor R.C. Patel to guiding me at every step of the study. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chandrang.